today's video we're playing Animal Company. If you stepped on the subspace ship, man.
Green light. Okay, everybody, follow me. Go back to safe zone. Yeah, all of them left. And guys.
No, come here. You go. Go back in here. Thank you. Now is it in there?
Yeah, I'll probably get on tomorrow too.
It's in there. Should I get my gun? Should I get those two guns? Yo.
Guys.
I win.
Guys, wait, come here. Sit back on the
Six-legged
couch.
pentathlon.
Sit back on the couch.
Six-legged
Sit back on the
pentathlon.
couch.
Six-legged pentathlon.
Six-legged pentathlon. Isn't
Huh?
it?
Guys,
Isn't it the six-legged pentathlon?
Sit
hey.
back on the couch.
I'm sorry, I didn't do anything, bro. I was just fucking
Bro,
trying to...
get over there.
You know what? Fuck this car. I'm leaving.
Everybody, wait, okay? But be
I don't
quiet.
even want to join this code anyways.
Yeah, for real.
Where'd I get the flashlight from?
Wait, guys, stop, okay? Okay, what I want you to do, everybody grab a crowbar and come back. Sit down. Everybody grab a crowbar and sit back down. Grab a crowbar.
I bought it first. Oh, bro! Don't steal my crowbar.
I'm not fucking spending money just on these stupid squid
I can buy you.
bullshit.
I can buy you one. No, come here. Hello?
Like, what the fuck, bro? That's stupid. They're making me spend my money and my in-game shit.
Out of it.
At the murder case right now.
Okay, you want to see some better? You want to see some better?
They're making me spend my fucking money that I earned on this game that I took forever to join.
Wait, why would...
And they're making me spend $400 on a stupid ass crowbar? Like, hell no.
Codes that aren't, is it Phantom Tax ones? Stay away from me!
Ooh, can I get
Bruce
that?
doo-doo!
Can I get it, please, bro? Please, I've been your friend, bro. Red, I'm your friend, bro. Please.
Hey, he's got a gun! Please! Don't think you're doing anything!
That was kind of stupid.
Can I have that?
Yo, Red, put it in your menu. Come to the menu. You can
Is that
put it in your
even
menu.
Can I have that bag?
I know you're not stupid.
Can I have that? You hit me like one crowbar!
One tap.
Get on the
Everybody,
couch.
follow me. Bro, before my VR dies, follow me here.
Give me
Okay,
minutes.
the rules of this game, everybody goes in this room, okay?
Guys,
They
wait up.
fight, and then when I say the number 30, you can go out, but no coming out of the room, and no teaming. Alright, everybody
I
go
got
in the
something to
room.
say. Green. Yeah, Green. I got something to say.
Green, I'm-
Isn't this unfair?
No.
Because I'm like two tap
Green,
or one
Green, I'm
tap.
back.
Okay,
Because
get
of orange.
no,
Back.
bro, you're full.
Green, I'm back.
Dog, I'm actually cooked.
Don't shoot me.
Wait, no, get heals, get heals.
Oh, no.
Get
What are we
heals.
doing?
Get heals. If you basically all fight. Okay, wait. When I say fight, you fight. Don't fight yet.
What?
When I say
I
fight.
didn't know
Is
that.
the flashlight cheating?
I just killed 2 people.
Ah!
Flashlight cheating.
just killed me. Let me come back.
Okay, guys,
Let
wait.
me come
Okay,
back.
get your loot back. When I
No,
say
you didn't
fight,
say
fight,
that you were gonna
don't
say
attack people.
You didn't say that you're gonna say fight.
Stop taking the flashlights. Stop taking the flashlights.
When I say fight, fight, okay?
Disqualified.
Now,
Wait, you have a weapon.
No, wait.
Dude, give me
Stop.
my controller
Yeah,
got
it's up here. It's up
disconnected.
here.
Guys,
Stop.
Yeah,
that
I
sucks, bro.
bro, can you not
Okay, go
fucking hit me
in.
for
No
reason?
fighting. No fighting. Go in.
No fighting yet.
Guys,
Damn it.
Okay, guys. Okay, if you're low on HP, get heals right now. If you're low.
I'm broke as shit. Actually,
Okay,
no.
wait.
I'm broke as shit.
Get
Stop.
heals if you're low on HP. Get heals. Get heals. You have to eat them when you get them. You have to eat them. Wait. It's kind of cheating because I have the stink effect, which means they'll all find out where I am. It's very low, bro. Come on,
yeah,
let's hurry
true.
this up.
Stop, bro.
No.
Okay, go.
Wait, skeleton's gonna get spotted easily. No flashlight!
Dude, I'm trying to get back
No
up.
flashlight!
Alright, stop. No fighting yet, guys. No fighting. No fighting, dumbasses. 3, 2, 1, fight. Fight.
No going out of
This place either.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Wait, no.
I didn't know
I
that
don't
was
want to fight.
Oh my god.
I'm not fighting,
Don't
guys.
fight me.
I'm
You
not fighting! Bro, I just want back up. I'm just trying to get back up.
Hey!
Oh my god.
What?
Dude, I...
Get away from me, Orange. You sound like poo-poo.
Hey, no getting
Yo,
out.
yo,
No getting
I need
out.
to put my-
No getting out.
I have guns in my back. Wait, hold on. Yo, you wait. You wait, Green. Do you need ammo?
No.
trying to team with you.
You're out of the game, bro.
Okay, I didn't even know.
Okay, 30. No fighting. No fighting. No fighting. Fighting. No fighting. No fighting. Get out of the place. No fighting. Okay, bet. I'm coming.
I'm not like that.
So, guys.
Please,
Please,
somebody give me RPG ammo. All I want is RPG ammo. That is all I want. Just RPG ammo. That's all I want, please. All I want is RPG ammo, please. Hey, can I have just one RPG ammo, please? That's all I need. Please.
I just stole 2 bags.
I'm begging you.
No! Give me or you're gay. Oh wait, this is trash though.
Here, that's the cheese diet. Don't give me a
Isn't there? Oh! Bro! Hey! I got same thing! Orange! Orange, look! Orange, look! Almost the same thing!
So, guys, the reason why I got the backpack was because I wanted to put my guns in there so I could grief them.
Yo!
Alright, I'm ready.
Only monsters have that big pumpkin, but nice. Did you touch me? Touch me. Hey!
Oh, okay, let's... Wait, guys, come on. Let's start this. Come on, quick.
Dude, what is it? What is it? Wait, who am I team with? You didn't tell me.
Oh, green!
This kid keeps friggin' hitting me, bro.
Your team is green.
I'm tired of the kid hitting me, bro. I'm tired of him hitting me.
Kill him. Did we get him?
I didn't know that. He keeps shooting me. No, he keeps friggin' hitting me for no reason. You guys, bro, I'm getting friggin'...
Use the bomb to kill
Wait,
me.
someone use the bomb to kill me.
Bro, people are keep hitting me for no reason, bro. Now I'm being... Take that! Give me that.
I'll get on too. Wait, what time is it for you?
Like 9. It's 9.
It's 9. Is it exactly 9?
Yeah, 9:44.
I'm sorry.
All of you
Mine is
keep trying to kill me
9:45.
for no reason, bro.
Okay,
Everyone
bro, wait,
keeps
listen.
hitting me for
I'm
no
an
reason.
hour behind of you, okay? So, tomorrow I'll get on at 5, okay?
Okay.
Tomorrow at 5.
Wait, no,
So
it's 5. How about like 10? Actually, look. About
I don't think I
3.
can get on at 10.
'cause-
3? It'll be
How?
fine for me.
Black,
No,
stop
so
it.
You get on at 4 and I get
You're
on
gay.
at 3, okay?
Okay, guys, come on.
No, I'm not giving you any.
Damn.
Okay, bet. Let's go.
Bet.
What is it? What's the thing?
Suck my
dick.
Oh my god, I'm tired, bro. I'm tired of this.
For real, bro.
Flying stinker! I'm tired. Gosh, what idiots. Freaking cheating. You're freaking
Guys, guys.
Leave
Look,
him alone.
Look. Okay, guys. Come here. Wait, give me a minute. My controller is so ass. Okay, guys.
These kids are cheating.
Wait, because I have to leave, I'll give you this. I'll give you all this.
What? Everything. Yo! Gay nigger! You! Guys, let me get one! Guys, let's sell it! Guys, let's sell it! Sell it! Sell it for
Yours
money!
at 1%. Come on.
Everyone go sell. Everyone go sell.
Hold up a sec. Hold on. Don't steal my gold ball. Everybody sell. Sell. Smile. Sell. Put it in. Guys, can I come over here?
No!
Not bad.
One coke! Yay! Yo, who has the backpack?
Take that.
Yo, it's so shit.
The black?
Get out.
Aww.
Oh, what
Tell
are you?
it to the black monkey.
Heck no.
Hey, give me my backpack. Give me my backpack. Yo. Bro, I'ma kill him. Yo, Orange, look at me. Okay, guys, I'll be back on at 2. I'll be back on at 3. I'll be back on at 3, okay? If you guys want it.
I'm not red washed. I killed the red ones. I'm not red washed.
I'll be back on. Okay, I'll just be back on.
3 p.m. or 3 a.m.
He died.
In the morning.
Okay.
Wait, what time is it for you
Yo, I
guys?
almost stepped on that.
It's 9.
It's 8:48 for me. It's 8:48.
Stop it. Guys, can I kill everyone that Green? Can I kill everyone that's out of safe zone?
Yes. I'm good.
Yes, thank you.
I'm wrong. Okay, if you guys, that's mine, my people. If y'all will come back and say something.
Go.
Oh shit, I almost touched that.
Idiot.
Guys, he's had enough, guys. He's had enough. How do I have it?
Right
again?
there. You better. I'll hold you on thingy. RPG.
You shouldn't be using a rare item in a PvP server. I can give you normal box.
La.
Can I have a box fan?
I'm gonna kill you for RPG. Don't do that shit.
Green can.
Oh no. Oh no.
I want a
I'm scared. I'm super scared.
Hey,
Give me
hey,
all this.
hey, you.
I'm gonna kill you for RPG. I'm gonna kill you for RPG. Guys.
Wait.
My box fan's blue. I don't want to be stinky anymore.
I'm sorry. Blue,
Whoops.
I won't shoot you anymore. I promise. As long as you don't shoot me. I shoot myself instead.
Oh, green or
Orange, if you kill someone again, I'm gonna kill your ass.
What?
orange.
Oh,
Orange,
he's really
I'm warning
threatening.
you.
You're
Don't do that
really
shit.
threatening.
Should I shoot orange?
Well,
I'm gonna shoot orange.
what does that happen, you
No,
buddy?
I'm gonna shoot orange.
Cause I got a revolver in my hand. I have a freaking shotgun in my hand.
Oh my gosh,
You're the
he's
best
really
weapon
scary.
in the game.
Do not mess
Oh, I
with this
won't
guy.
shoot you, Blue. I won't shoot you, Blue.
Orange, I'm gonna kill you for RPG. Never mind, he died.
Yay! It's like a ninja.
Wow.
Like a ninja.
What the fuck? Who just said that? Anyway?
I'm gonna get myself a revolver. I'm gonna get myself a revolver.
He said it. He said it.
So I am the monster.
NPC.
I'm a monster.
I'm a bang, I'm a bang.
Ow!
I'm a bang.
Orange?
Okay.
I don't want to play with you, but you're my favorite boss. Sing my boss, sing my boss, sing my boss.
Okay, guys? Everyone here.
Boy, sing my.
Yo, we got
You what's up, my boy, Queso?
Yo.
No, Queso? You're calling him Queso? Cool.
What's up, my boy, Queso?
I'm telling you, I don't want to be stinky.
Oh, no, what happened? I bet Orange Box is on guard. Green! 10 minutes.
Yep.
Fight me, Green!
Hell no.
Why? Why not? Oh, you want to
Because you're gonna freaking RPG me, kid.
Yeah, get out of here!
I'll fight. Just wait. Stay right there.
Bro doesn't know what a crowbar is.
No bombs. No bombs.
Bet.
What will I ever do? You're just gonna be red watched.
No way, bro, wait!
Black, because that's fine. Can I
Okay,
shoot
okay,
you
I'm
once?
sorry.
Can I shoot you just one time, Black? Black. Black.
No, I'll die, and we're having an intense battle.
Black, kill myself.
No, look!
Guys, look, I'm gonna kill myself. Man, someone
Oh
already
my
killed me.
god, I'm so good, bro.
Wait, hold up. Oh, I'm gonna grab it.
Everyone be afraid of the guy named Sugar Cookie. He's really scary. How am I scary?
Wait. I gotta
You're
get my
not.
stuff,
I'm being
buddy.
sarcastic.
I stole that fan, but
Oh, that's not even joke. That's not
I'll
even
still get
funny.
my stuff back.
Black, can I show you something?
I need a flare gun.
Is Black okay?
I'm pouring more stuff on one.
Black. Yo, look. That thing sucks.
You're dead.
I have a gun.
Who has the shield?
I have a gun. Put the fan down.
Why?
What?
Put the fan down.
Sugar Cookie
Wait,
left.
what?
He's
Put
failed.
the fan down.
The what?
No.
Oh,
Put the fan down.
Doing a
Secret escape. The fan. Secret Put the fan
If I
down.
go down, we go down
Put the fan down.
Okay.
We're gonna get a fan too. Don't worry. Get it.
We go down together.
That's what I basically said. That's what I want to hand down. Wrong way.
God damn it. I missed.
You Sigma.
Freaking Echo, revolver. That's true.
I am a bomber man.
You tried to.
How much am I a bomber?
An even better one. A bag. Coming down.
Where these kids at? Where these kids? Bro, what the?
It's all Hitler.
If you go down,
Go. Who owns a ray gun? I need a ray
No
gun.
one, because I'm broke as hell.
I got plug in my vehicle.
I need a ray gun. Oh, dude, use your thing back.
Goodbye, guys.
Give it back.
Go!
Stop.
You goofy ass bitch.
I don't care. Mad.
I don't care.
Get up here.
I smell stinky.
Come with me if you don't want to die.
Oh, he's shooting me. It's a man running away from the cops. I don't want to die. No.
Get out of this. This is not your Christmas. Start playing. Now come here.
What was on there?
Come here.
It's now or never. I get my guns and everyone die. Yo, Green, come here, bucko.
It's now or never. I get my gun and then I kill Blue.
Yeah, I'm shooting gun.
God damn!
I'm gonna find
Blue's
every
guns
way to
suck.
die.
Who does? You didn't know that? Who does?
I'm gonna nuke people.
Okay, I'm close.
You're not supposed to do that. Bad, let's
Guys,
play
I can
Russian
nuke people.
roulette.
Scratch my juicy butthole. Drink your soul.
Hold on, you gotta shoot it. Give me. I'm sorry, Mom.
Every way to die.
Okay.
Someone click the buttons.
No!
Someone click the buttons. NPC. Oh my God, bro, what was that?
Thank you, bro.
No, anytime, nobody is with that. Someone click the
Where
buttons.
you go, that's where I follow.
Thank you.
Nobody.
You know what? You're being really nice.
I'm
I'm
keeping
gonna give
a
you
ray gun
Something
on.
OG.
Keeping a ray
I
gun
want
on
something
myself.
OG.
No!
Guys, look at this.
It's in this OG bag.
What is it?
Well,
I already have like 10 of those. Yeah, who? Can I have something go? Have one? Have one? Have
Shut
one?
up.
Shut up. Have one? Shut up.
no!
You like Oh, remember this.
He was there for me, bro.
Green dog. I love your life. Free fan. Oh, goon yourself.
You retard. Stop!
You
Put
effing
yourself in the
bitch.
blue, bro.
Bro, what the
That didn't count as red watch, bro. What the frick?
Bro, what the dog? How the hell did I get red watch? Kill him! Kill that motherfucker! Bro, how the hell did I
Did
get
that motherfucker?
I did not know.
Did that motherfucker?
Hey, go fuck yourself.
Yeah, go fuck yourself.
Hey, dude, go
baby.
F yourself. Hey. Nice. He said the N-word. Boom. Yeah.
Dominoes. You want another one?
Six.
I already have a bunch of them. This way. Here.
Oh, yeah, I got me.
Look on your watch, bro.
Guns. Whip it.
Wait, what's your name, Dragonflare? Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, bro, you know what?
What?
Okay, I'll remember this, bro.
Yeah, I remember.
This is why you don't have none.
Somebody's really angry.
Okay.
And somebody's really orange, like an orange.
Exactly.
Dang, bro, you really showed me.
Exactly. It was really orange like an orange.
Adore.
That's like the realest thing I ever heard. Rose orange like an orange.
Dang, bro, you really showed me with that rose.
Exactly, bro. That's good, Rose.
I'm faster.
You're faster because you ran 1,400.
I'm riding on the fan that you don't have.
I'm in the.
What is this? Look, do you know what this is?
Did.
You have one brain cell?
No.
You have one brain cell?
No, I have 100,000
I
brain
said
cells.
I'm riding on the one. I said I'm riding on the one that you don't have. I don't care that you have one. I took your other one.
Yeah, so I don't
Thank you.
care. I have one.
Yep. But mine's better.
How? Can you tell me how yours
Mine
is
has more
better?
character. Mine has more character.
What's more or less
Bro, if you die, I'll be there for you, bro.
Bro, did this guy just say that fans
Nobody's
have brain cells?
Nobody's dying.
No,
no,
they don't
not
have
even
any.
Teal's dying.
Bro, they don't
No
have any. They don't even have any brain cells. That does nothing but everything. Come here, give me some push-ups. Yes. On my lap. You know what? Come here. Good boy.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna clap him.
Yo, bro, we're big boys.
Try to kill me, loser. I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna touch you.
Okay, I don't care if I'm up to blood.
Can I have some?
Touch.
Can I have some?
Bro, what grade are you? And you guys are saying that I have no brain cells, but I'm probably a higher grade than all of
Okay.
you.
How do you guys?
What am I saying? You don't have any brain cells.
Okay, maybe not you,
I didn't
but
say
literally
that.
everyone else.
Let's both have We can fly higher. Wait, we can fly a little higher.
I just lost my dog.
Yo,
Yo, bro, put some water here.
Red. Hey, Red. Hey, let's have a meeting. So, blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
And blah, 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 and...
Bro, you know we're floating?
Yo, let me try flying. Oh, dude.
You can fly with it on your back.
What? Hey, Red.
We got fly.
What the hell?
Trying to keep.
This is a nice fan, am I right?
What?
No, nothing's dirty because
So I went to the store.
Dude,
and
look. Dude, I'm flying. Dude, I'm flying.
Back in flames.
No,
I just lost
You know what? I'm sick of all you
I
guys.
won't believe you, bro.
I'm-
'Cause you sound
I'm
maybe
sick of all you
10,
guys.
or 9.
No!
Probably not. And you're too afraid to admit that you do.
I don't.
Where is the dragon?
Hello.
Is there a dragon cave?
Oh, I'm not killing you. This guy's chill. Oh my god.
I did that. That was me.
Together.
I'm happy and you know nothing to do. I'm happy, I'm Thank you, mister.
I'm trying to help you so you don't die, actually.
Ragdoll guys. Anyways,
Dude,
who
I'm
wants
kidding.
money? I want money.
here. Me, I want money.
Well, you're not getting it. I like doing a private than you got with you guys. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. I'm happy, I'm happy. What's purple? Should I go out there?
No.
No. Sure do. Life on a ding dong, shebang, bang, bang.
Red.
I have the same exact size and it's red.
Bear.
Roar.
Life on a ding dong, shebang, bang.
Roar.
I am double the alien, bro.
Roar.
I'm double the alien.
Loading.
Yeah, he tried.
I didn't try. On it. Yeah, he tried. Blah, blah, blah.
Exactly.
Blah blah blah
I
blah
am
blah
an
blah
alien.
blah 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 blah. Oh fuck! Yo, can I kill someone? Just one person. Just one person. Just one. Just
Bro,
one.
wrong one.
Can I
Wrong
kill
one.
just one person, please? Just one. Just one. Bro, are you fucking serious? Stop. Let me kill one person. Just one.
Free giant key. Free giant key. Me. I want the giant key.
You said you
Have
had
your
one
thing back.
already.
I can get fans anyway.
Okay, just
Oh,
grab
by
it out of my hand. Great. Just grab it out of my hand.
Oh,
Great.
by the way, guys, if you want me to dupe anything, I'll do it.
Please, I want to do. I have nothing. Pull up. You guys want to make money? You guys want to make money?
That code kind of sucked. I did not like those kids at all. They're like blah blah blah, yappy yap yap, yappy yap yap, yappy yap yap, my dick, my.
Galaxy Cracker giveaway.
Come on, baby.
Reese,
Come
Who wants to go to the moon with me?
What's
Go to the start.
Can we do a fun
And go.
Yes, please.
Let's do
Who wants to go get broccoli with me?
A fighting competition.
Me, I do.
I could just buy that, bro. I could just buy it.
I wanna go get.
Ain't no
broccoli.
you miss so.
I want broccoli.
He's red watch.
Where's the red
I want
one?
to give him.
No, I want cheese.
I don't care.
Bro, I'm gonna go with somebody with broccoli.
Competition. Start the cheese.
No.
Cheese.
Guys, here's some cheese, y'all. Who wants to go get broccoli? Who wants to go get broccoli?
Alright.
Who wants to go get
Get the
broccoli?
cheese from the lunch table.
He got it.
Come here.
But I just do
Whoever wants to do the giveaway for a Galaxy
Bye.
to the friend next.
Yeah, bro.
If you want to do the giveaway, Friend Gianni Jameen.
Do it, man. Do it with all your might.
If anybody else wants to go into this giveaway,
Leave me alone. So, but what about down?
go to friend.net and friend Gianni Jameen. It's on the beach.
Dang it. We grappler, I guess.
Right? So you two, join me.
No, please, 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 please.
Join me on friend.net.
I'm new here, so nobody get me. I don't know how to play this game that good.
Hi.
Actually,
Anyone wants to do it?
Yes, I got it. I'm ready. Yes, I'm in. Got the keys. Got the keys. All right, y'all. Hey, look.
I don't want no cheese. Cheese are stinky.
Okay, let's do it.
Join my server on the friend.net.
I'm Ultra Guy. Peacock the Mega
Hello.
Peacock. People.
Hey, buddy, want a free plunger? Take the free plunger.
Plunger?
I already have a plunger.
I need a plunger.
I take free plunger. Oh.
I'll get you a free plunger.
I got one of these
got
stuff. I got this stuff. I got this stuff.
Bro, I can literally buy that.
What do you want to trade for this stick?
Weapons.
I'm doing a challenge. From stick to
I'll trade you this stick for that stick.
Here's this.
Who wants to trade for this?
For that stick bet.
Who wants to trade for
Actually,
this
the
thing
ray
for
gun
Jig?
for it?
On my back.
Yeah. Okay. Who wants to trade this ray gun for something?
We have.
I'm trying to get
I
out.
will.
Do you have an RPG? Do you have an RPG?
Hey, who said ray gun? Who said
I have an
ray gun?
okay, I have an RPG. I have an RPG. Dude, I have an RPG.
Who said ray gun
Only
for
green.
something?
Only green.
Oh,
Only
okay.
Who
green.
said ray
Ray
gun for
gun.
something?
Green.
At the
Join the code
No.
GGGE. So 3 G's and an E.
No, you're thinking.
Bro, no, only one person. Guys, stop. No.
Wait,
People, get away. You guys are actually stupid. No, only one person.
We'll join a different code now since they all
Hello.
Yo.
Hi, guys.
Stop yelling me.
Oh, guys. Badass, like he's pussy now. He's a pussy now.
Shit. Guys, it died. Bye.